Good morning to one and all. I am G. Bhavani Lakshmi of room number 15, studying in BVR Women's College. I am here to represent a seminar presentation on intrusion detection. Let us see what are the main characteristics that are involved in the intrusion detection system, that are intruders, intrusion, and intrusion detection system. First, let us see of intruders. Intruders is a person who wants to gain unauthorized access to a system. That is, they want to gain some data or information that is in our system without knowing to us. So, the misuse of the system done by the intruder. So, whatever the data or the knowledge or the access that he is taking from our system, that is misuse of the system, is known as intrusion. So we have to know how does it detects or how does it is identified or specified by any system. So here we use intrusion detection system. It detects or identifies the intrusion. Intrusion detection system, it is a software application that is used to monitor a system. It is an application which is used to monitor a system from unsecured activities or unwanted activities. A person who is entering into a system, so he wants to gain all the information. So we have to detect this by using intrusion detection system from the unwanted activities. So let us see some of the detection approaches. The first one is audit record. The audit record itself, that is record itself, is known as log, that contains some information of some events, activities which happens within a system. So what does this audit record does is it stores all the information which refers to whatever activity is happening in the system. These records are essential for monitoring. These are used for essential for monitoring, analyzing security that are related to detect the event and response to potential intrusion. So this is one of the detection approach. The second one is statistical anomaly detection. So in this statistical anomaly detection, we are categorized into two types. The first one is threshold detection and the second one is profile based detection. Threshold detection. This detection involves the count of occurrences of a specific event over a time. So what does this does means the user have some specific time in which he uses the system. So this threshold detection detects the occurrence, means how many number of times of a specific event is done in a period of time. So if the count exceeds the reasonable number, that is, if the user uses the task with a reasonable number, that is exceeds, in which he exceeds the specific event, then the intrusion is assumed. The second one is profile based detection. This detection focuses on the past behaviors of the users and then detects the significant deviation. So this detects the profiles of the past behavior, how the user behaves in past and how he's behaving in the present, so that it can detect some significant deviations. The third one is rule-based anomaly detection. In the name itself, rule-based, this detection tells about, it observes the behavior of the user, the behavior of the application that user uses, and the network of the user that user uses for over a period of time. And then some rules are created. If some illegal actions are being taken place, then some rules are being created for this detection. So this detection mainly focuses on the actions rather than performing some task. This is also categorized into two approaches. First one is rule-based anomaly detection. Next is rule-based penetration identification. Next, we are going to distributed intrusion detection. In this detection, this involves the multiple detectors. Distributed means it has some multiple detectors placed in various points within a network to monitor and to identify the any anomalous activities. That is, any unwanted activities have been taking place. It detects whatever the actions that have been taking place within a monitor. It also enhances overall security by improving detection accuracy. As if the actions are taking place increasing rapidly, so the detection also improves accuracy. Next one is honeypots. This detection approach is a recent innovation in the intrusion detection. So, what does honeypot do is they serve as a decoy system or the resources that attract and deviate the attackers. These honeypots, what they do is they attract and divert the attackers to stop whatever the action is taking place. This honeypots also provides early warnings. That is, they send only before messages. They can also has enhanced detection and also valuable insights to push potential threats. So these honeypots should be used as a part of intrusion with some security measures. This cannot be used as part of intrusion with unsecurity measures. So we have to use with the security measures. Thank you.